What's up guys, this is Ionic Tech, and today we're taking a look at the Canon EOS RP as well as the Canon 35mm f1.8 IS STM lens. Okay, so we have the Canon EOS RP still in the box. The lens accessories here, just a lens filter right there. This is a CPL, and I have here a SanDisk Extreme Pro. I'm going to unbox the camera body first. This came out 2019, March 14 actually. So we have, what is this, the warranty card right there. Pretty thick manual right there. The charger, yeah, the smaller battery. The camera is actually here at the bottom. I have the camera body. This thing is small, and that's one of my main motivation for actually getting this one. It's gonna be my first mirrorless camera. I have a flip out screen right there, which I think is also articulating. You know, you can shoot like odd angles. Alright, so I'm just gonna close it like that. That's the camera body right there. Pretty small. You also get this strap. Okay, so next we have the lens. So I got the 35mm f1.8 RF lens. A bunch of bubble wrap, which is great. Don't think you get lens hood with this, but you know, it doesn't really matter much to me as long as the lens quality is good, which, you know, there you go, there you go. Stress reliever. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty solid lens actually for a non-L lens. Okay, so we're gonna try and assemble this. Alright, so I managed to assemble it. Just a few quick fun facts. So first, when this thing first came out, it was the cheapest mirrorless camera of Canon, full frame, and it retailed for $1,299. Then the lens was like $500. Well, the retail of this body now is about $999, and the lens around $499, I think. I got this on a Black Friday deal. So now I got the body for $100 less. So it was $899, and then the lens for another $100 less for $399. Pretty good deal. I'm just gonna try and take a few shots and see how good it is. Okay, so we have ourselves our subject right here. Grogu, everybody meet Grogu. And he's trying to reach this lavender. So yeah, it's focusing pretty well. Let's take first. 1.8 is pretty sweet. Grogu right there. So I know that this is a macro lens, so it should be able to focus pretty closely. And there you see, that's a pretty close-up shot of the lavender. See it? Bokeh test number 1. Let's do one more. There. I think it's pretty sweet. Right there. And it's sharp enough. I think this is like ISO. It's 12,800. I think it's still usable, but you know. especially with the 35 millimeters. You can do so much with this. Street, portraits, even landscape. It's pretty sweet, pretty sharp, really sharp lens. Alright guys, so yeah, if you're considering getting this in 2021 or even 2022, I think it's very much worth it with the discounted price at this point. I'm mainly shooting for photos, so I don't really care about the cropped 4K. So when you try to record the video here, it actually goes into significant crop if you're using 4K, but if it's 1080p, then it's perfectly fine. Alright, so before we wrap up guys, I just wanted to show you how it compares with the 6D Mark II, which I've been using for good almost 3 years now. Now my problem with this thing is that it's extremely bulky and heavy, and so I tend to just not bring it with me, and I just use my phone for some photos and videos. The EOS RP is just 440 grams without the lens, but this 35 millimeter lens is really small, as you can see right there. It's even smaller than Grogu. The advantage of this is that it's I think it's more weather sealed, you know, with gaskets and all that good stuff. This is also weather sealed, but you know, just tight fitting materials and nothing fancy. You can see, very small, very portable, very capable Canon EOS RP, the 35 millimeter lens. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. We're just starting out, and I'll probably put out more video about this one, you know, how it fares. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.